Lo trabalho, o fundamento que você vai fazer. Savannah, where's the Quarizi?
Pex Savannah. Then I say where the Guarana, where the Quarizi. Then it's
there you go. Papa party still running from all of your problems. Child it turns to the running man. Soon as she fades.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Stanley. I am back with another video. So today's video is actually unpopular opinions, things that people don't talk about, or things that I feel you guys don't talk about them enough. Anyways, I'm having KFC, so it's more like a mukbang type of vibe, you know? Sharp. The first thing I want to talk about is friendships. My problem is I cannot get my message across. I cannot get, like, it's gonna come out as rude, wrong, or whatsoever. But what I'm saying is, with friendship, there is no need for you guys to be stuck together. Let's normalize friendship breakups. It's not a bad thing, but it's a good thing for the both of you guys, yabo, or even by or whatsoever, yabo. In a way that if you guys are easy friends and you see a good friendship here, like it's not going anywhere and or like everything is a problem, you know. So I feel like we should normalize cutting each other off. Not like cutting each other off, but letting each other go. Yeah. I want to speak about money. Let's speak about money. In a way that I'm a student, you are a student. Usithatha bisibini sokunicela imali, like uthi ndiyithatha phi imali wena xa ungenayo. Like, make it make sense. Like, I feel so offended when someone engicela imali, especially if you know I'm a student. Like, uthi ndiyithatha phi imali mna. I feel like being a student over broke more than anyone else. Causing one, usokolisa sisikolo. 2, you need to buy food and food is very expensive. 3, udepende kuwe, so ustake nje kuwe, yabo. So I feel like it's so rude when people or when someone asks imali from a student. Let's talk about peer pressure. Peer pressure, okay, before I came to varsity, I didn't know what peer pressure is a thing. Like, I thought, yeah, like I'm Stanley, like I'll never find myself in a situation where the ends are indo because friends are doing it, ne? But listen to me, but when they be peer pressure by icona, in a way that if like your friends ne bazokwenza izinto, then if when you are not doing ezo zinto, you're gonna appear as someone who is you are either jealous or ubakate off or something, like it's a problem once you don't do ezazinto bazenzayo and you end up doing them, and that's peer pressure because you are doing things not because you want to do it, you want to do them, but because of people are doing zona ezozinto ezo. Let's talk about courses. I feel like a course oyenzayo is not a measure of intelligence or anything else. Like abantu, like what I've noticed to people is because is if like if when I cause that means you are the person omnye owns because as undermine. I don't feel like that. And a different view from that. In a way that there are people abenza metric twice, but benza metric mhlawumbe apase subject as 3 and then baphinde as 4. So mhlawumbe let's say as 3 ebezibase eqaleni usibase distinctions and then there's 4 aphinde futhi asibase distinction. And that person like couldn't finish metric at once. So she or he had to do metric twice, and then let's say his results is like them allow you to do medicine, ne? And then that person is gonna feel smart. No, we are not smart, but no, I don't there. Let's think another example. Let's say you did metric, ne? And then you passed your diploma. Maybe but like something affected you, know, but you know your full potential, ne? And then you are forced to when a diploma's degree by conventional. Yeah, we are forced to do it. I feel like along the bachelor's degree, like Sonke, it's just that you were lucky enough to be serious or to pass the metric and qualify for a degree. I hope you guys get me. Let's talk about exes. I don't get Lendoy exes of fighting after a breakup. What do I mean by that? Like, me personally, when I love someone, of course there will be love, and also I'll love the person that you are, your personality, your humor, and what so not. So I believe when people break up, they break up because but still you are still that person who's on a humor, you are still that person on Legisa, you're still that person. So I don't get it when people when they break up and they block each other or like they don't want to see each other again. I don't get it now. Okay, so I'm trying to look, but still so just continue. Only a topic of friendships. I forgot something. You don't have to constantly remind your friends about your boundaries. Like there's no need. There's no need to because clearly they don't respect you. That's it for today's video. As you can see, like I feel like I spoke about everything that I wanted to speak about, yeah? And I am really not a person who likes speaking. I don't like uthetha, so you can consider you guys blessed, right? There's something that I wanted to say. That's it for I don't know what to say, but that's it for today's video, or for like, because I feel like I upload after a very long time. So saying Gucci, that's it for today's video. It's more like me saying Gucci, I think I upload every day. Yeah, but yeah, I'm sure you guys are so tired of hearing this from small YouTubers. I'm not a YouTuber, but like small people about for YouTube. Yeah, that's my bad. Yeah, that's like you are so used. No, I'm gonna be consistent next year, but like believe me.
I told me among I am.
Believe me, just any chance, any benefit of the doubt. Yeah? I'm gonna be consistent next year. Or in fact, I'm gonna be consistent from now on. But also, guys, one thing that you all don't understand, being consistent doesn't mean I should like bombard you with the videos. Of course, I'm not gonna upload if I'm not into your theater or I'm not into your Wednesday or I'm not into creative or that I find interesting to do. I cannot just be uploading like the Bonalonda is a mistake in a way that being consistent bombard and give videos every day but like just be creative in the process of being consistent. That's all I'm saying. Bye guys, I love you all. Ciao. I'll call you tomorrow, Nan.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll call you tomorrow, nah.